As you can see, it is 12:35. We just finished up this 11:30 job. We did free deodorizer and cleaned 2 ceiling fans at no charge. So our total was $280. Probably used about three gallons of cleaner, maybe 3.5. Customer was very excited with the results, which is always a good thing. And obviously the goal of every job is to have a happy customer. Ecstatic customers who refer you is always the goal. So that about wraps up this particular job. Like I said, there was 4 bedrooms, hallway, stairs, and a living room for a total of 7 areas. Once there's more than 5 areas, it is $40 per area. So 40 times 7 is $280. No per spot fees, no upsells, no hidden charges. Pay exactly what you're quoted, cash or check, or your carpet cleaning is free. JR with Citrus Carpet Cleaning Atlanta, 770-652-0630. On the web at citruscarpetcleaningatlanta.com. Thanks for watching, and as always, be kind. Take care.